Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to add notes from Facebook Messenger. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Android phone. Now I'll go on my Messenger. Over here you can see here is a Messenger. I'll tap on this and now over here on the top left you'll find your profile image. Now here you can see your note. And above this you will find this share our thought. Tap on this and now you can write a note over here. Now I'll write this is a demo note, and also we can add emojis over here. Now I'll try this one. Okay, this looks better. Also we can change this audience from here. Over here you can see change audience. Tap on this and now you can see here is different options. Here is friends and connections, friends and also custom. And now to share this note, just tap on this share. After that you can find this is the demo note which I recently added. So in this way we can add notes on our Facebook Messenger. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.